Hello smart money traders, you're welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you one of my easiest and secret ICT trade entry technique. Now you have to understand that there are so many ways you can enter trade when it comes to trading with the ICT concepts, but this particular one I'm about to show you is one of the easiest that anyone can do. So you need to watch this video to the end in order to get every single detail and information I'm about to share with you. But before then, you need to understand three major things when it comes to trading in the financial market. The first thing you need to understand is market structure, and then you need to understand the role of time frame in your trading, and you also need to understand the role of order flow when it comes to looking at your chart and then extracting details and information. So these subject matters, I've discussed them extensively on my YouTube channel, so it is only good if you reach out to my YouTube channel to watch a lot of them and then get every single detail I shared concerning this topic. So let's get into entry technique, because this is exactly what I'm going to talk about in this particular video. Now basically, whenever we come to our chart, we want to trade, we want to look at what is happening, like what I'm seeing on GBP USD. Now you need to understand your market structure. What I'm seeing from here, the most recent data, let's take this area for example, this area starting from here to this place. We're going to make use of just this area to get every detail we want to get. Now, as you look at price from this level, price has been coming to this level, had this move and had a change of character or a market structure shift. So where that market structure shift happened was exactly this place. So this is where market structure shift happened. So if we are marking that place, we can call it a change of character or simply a market structure shift. Now, the second thing you need to look out for is to look out for an institutional reference point, because as trade moves, what drives the market is basically liquidity. We have two types of liquidity: an external range liquidity and what we basically call internal range liquidity. What happened right here was that price actually swept external range liquidity from here. Can you see from where this change of character happened? This is an external range liquidity. As price moves forward, you're basically going to see that price will one day seek to come back to an internal range liquidity. Now, talking about time frame, regardless of the time frame you're looking at your chart, if you are doing this from a perspective of a top-down analysis, that means the ability to look at what is happening from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, and then finally you got to see what is happening at this particular level and in this time frame. What you saw was a change of character, and then price actually was moving to this area. Every time price takes external liquidity, it comes back to an internal range liquidity. An internal range liquidity can be found around an order block, a fair value gap, or a liquidity void. Please don't forget, an order block, fair value gap, or a liquidity void. So after this change of character, where can we see an order block? This green candle is what we call an order block. What happened basically was where institutions or big boys, or what we call the banks, entered their orders. They have actually opened their large orders, large sum of money at that point. That is why you saw the sudden move from that level. So anytime price is coming back, it will target this level, or this is what we call a fair value gap. These two things are the most important thing that price will target. So this one, I don't want to go into discussing fair value gap. Fair value gap is basically the simple gap between this candle and this candle in a three candle price action. You see this week and this week. I have a detailed video about that. You can see it displayed right now on my screen. You want to watch it right there. You can have a detailed explanation of a fair value gap. So you will patiently wait for price to come back to either this fair value gap or an order block. These are the most important things you want to look out for. So in waiting for price to come back to this place, get this right. Right now, from this level to this place, you are in a downtrend. You are in a downtrend. Let me even mark it out for you. This is a downtrend, and you want to make your orders in this direction. That means you want to sell, but this retracement will come in a form of an uptrend. This retracement back to an institutional reference point or internal range liquidity. That's what we call them. So as price comes back, we are not so sure that price will reverse from a fair value gap or an order block, But what we do basically is to look out for what price will do towards it going to that level. And this is where the rhythm of the market comes. You need to watch out, because if your overall trend is down, as we can see here from this change of character or market structure shift, we expect that as price comes back, we want to align with the downtrend before we take our trade. So as price comes back to this area, we want to see what is happening. So in order for us to see this properly, if we are watching this from, let's say, 4-hour time frame, okay, if what we are watching right here is from 4-hour time frame, this order block and this fair value gap is from 4-hour time frame, we want to go down to at least 1 time frame below or 2 time frame below 4 hours. So that means we will jump down to what? To 1 hour time frame. Please get this right, because this secret will change your trading experience. So what I'm having right here is from the 3 minute. I will jump down to 1 minute and wait for this retracement into that fair value gap or the order block. I will patiently wait for them to come, but in this regard, I want to make sure that as the retracement comes, it reaches a point that it is aligning with my downtrend. So what I will do is to patiently wait for price to do that from that lower time frame. So as price behaves like this, we want to see that reaction happening. So we're going to watch this. So we're watching it. Another last thing I forgot to tell you, let me go back to the 3 minute. There is something we call premium and discount level, and that can be gotten when you pick your Fibonacci tool and then keep it here from this swing to this place, to the last level that price reached before coming back. So the middle of this Fibonacci tool is what we call equilibrium. Above it is called premium. So if you are selling, you can only sell when price is above the 50 level, and the most important order block will be above the 50% level. If you see any order block below it, I'm not sure that order block can give you what you're looking for. So we're only going to pay attention to a fair value gap above the 50 or an order block above the 50. This is the most important thing you need to know. Then another thing you need to know is that the most valid order block is an order block that has a fair value gap. You see this order block, you see a fair value gap close to it, it means it is a valid order block. So let me go to the 1 minute time frame again and have this rhythm of the market play out. Now for the meantime, I'm going to be in an uptrend because I'm trying to reach to this level. For it to come back here, it must be in an uptrend. I'm going to the very basic level for you to understand this. So we are watching price behaving. Now look at what is happening. A break of structure here. Okay. From here, we have broken structure. We're going to see break of structure happen time and again. Another break of structure at this level. So as price behaves like this, we are simply trying to approach that 3 minute or our higher time frame order block or a fair value gap. So this is the most important thing you need to know. Now, do I just enter trade blindly from the 3 minute time frame? At this point, let me show you that. Do I just blindly enter trade from here? Let me just put it here. Many people are confused. What do I do? Do I just enter trade and then put my stop loss above here, and then my take profit is basically here or at the recent low? Most people are confused about this. But what if price just reach out and hit your stop loss and then come back? This is why you need the lower time frame to give you a confirmation. This is the best trade entry confirmation. I'm giving you a gold secret that will help you in your trading entry next time you're coming to take trade. So coming back to the 1 minute again, I'm going to watch out price to take out the last low. That means I'm fully ready to go down. That means from an uptrend, I'm in a downtrend. Anytime you see a change of character, that means I have a market structure shift from an uptrend to a downtrend. For now, I'm in an uptrend for this retracement, but the overall is downtrend. So for it to align with the overall, I need to be in a downtrend. Please watch this video again and again if you have not understood what I just shared with you. So as price is coming, I want to see, can you see? Now this is what I want. I want to take out this level, the last low that price have actually created, this place. So this is where I have my change of character. This is where I have my change of character from this higher high, a change of character. That means I'm about to have a downtrend in the lower time frame and a downtrend in the higher time frame, which means I have everything aligning with my entry. So I don't just enter blindly. I wait for price to give me this confirmation. So where do I enter my trade? Any fair value gap at all. Look for any fair value gap. I just give you the secret. Any fair value gap, you could see the most nearest. So I want to enter from this fair value gap. You can blindly enter there, let's say from the middle of this fair value gap, and then your stop loss will just be right above here. I'm giving you something that will help you a lot. My take profit will be just the most recent order block below here. So looking at this is almost 1:2. So as you play out this, you're going to see that price is going to give you exactly what you're looking for. Can you see? Price is just giving you exactly that secret ingredient that you are missing out. Okay, so this is how I enter my trade, guys. I'm going to show you another example, but let's just do it and see how it goes. Don't worry, all this will happen because you are dealing with the lower time frame. Can you see what is happening as price is giving you exactly the kind of thing you are looking for? Okay, let me take out this guy and then give you a very clean move. This is GBP USD. I will do another example on gold. I hope this secret gives you everything you want. Okay, so as you can see, price actually trying to reach your TP. So this is exactly what I see price do from that level. Can you see what I said? The first fair value gap I told is what I want to take my trade from once I see a change of character, because I know that I've fully aligned with the higher time frame. I hope this is understandable. Let me give you another last example on gold and then I will take my leave. I don't want to spend more time explaining this for you. This is a secret that I want every single one of you to get. Now guys, this is gold. Okay, this is gold. What I want to show you is this. Can you see as market was coming up to this level, and then we had this break of structure at this level, we had that break of structure. What we're going to do is basically to pick our Fibonacci tool from here, measure from this level to the highest level it went to, that level. So this is our equilibrium level. We want to see price come back to what? An institutional reference point. This is an order block, a bullish order block, guys. Okay, a bullish order block. And then what else do we see? A fair value gap. This one, this very big fair value gap. So do we just enter blindly from this higher time frame? No, we don't just enter blindly. We want to see price align with the higher time frame. That is, if we are looking at it from any time frame at all. This applies to any time frame, guys. If we see this happening like this, this is uptrend, and then the retracement is going to be downtrend. So we drop down to 1 minute time frame. Okay, from this level, 1 minute time frame will give us the rhythm we're looking for. Let me just reduce this to a level everyone can see. So let's get that. Now, if you don't understand how to literally spot those levels, that is how to literally spot change of character or market structure shift, you can use this indicator. Simply use ICT concepts by Lux Algo. Let me show you that indicator, this one. It will help you to know exactly. Simply come to settings, change this to historical, and then click on OK. It will show you where the change of character or market structure shift happens. Let me take out some of those ones. This market, I will just leave market structure shift, take out these, show other blocks, take out all these guys. This is not what I wanted you to have. Show fair value gaps, all these ones, I'm going to take them out. Click on OK. So the only thing I'm going to see is market structure shift. So as price is coming down, I want to see that rhythm changing. Anytime I have market structure shift to the upside is what I want to do. Let me just adjust it clearly for you to see. Remember, this is in a lower time frame. I want to see market structure shift happen. Market structure shift. Now look at this. This has reached the order block in higher time frame, but we don't want to enter because it can reach down to take us out. We are not so sure. There is no order block that gives you 100%, that is, but with this you can reduce the risks. So let's wait for that. Can you see market structure shift? Now I look out for any fair value gap at all, preferably this guy, this fair value gap. I want to enter my trade from there. Let's go long for this. This is the fair value gap. I want to enter my trade. And then don't forget, this is a lower time frame. Your stop loss is not that big because you're dealing with lower time frame. So let's play out this and see how this trade will work out. So this is my fair value gap. I didn't tell you this is where I saw the fair value gap, and I hope this is going to be very, very understandable to all of you guys. This is where the fair value gap is. Let me just adjust it clearly. Okay, so this is where the fair value gap starts from. And then I'm going to have my entry right here at the top of the fair value gap. As price comes back, let's see what is happening. Yes, I'm in the market, and then price is giving me exactly what I'm telling you. Okay, my target is basically the recent high just above here, this place. So as you can see, I'm getting almost 1:2. So this is how to have a entry confirmation. I don't think there is anything I need to show you again. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. Make sure you watch all the videos on my YouTube channel to get everything. This is a secret that nobody can share to you without you paying for it. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in another video.